Yeah, they are on food.
Good evening, sir. How come you so fierce? Do you want some water? Yeah, me get some water then. Sure. Yeah, I go, my Best. Sir, everything miss me. Listen to me. Sir, what seems to be the problem? Are you okay? What do you mean a bum buckler? What kind of water this? No, it's purified water. And the purified water this, me don't want water, yeah? Eh? Me don't want no purified water. Me want singular water. What you give me this for? Eh? You know, say me single. But me I do pure water. I try to kill me, you know, give me gas station and taxi, and I'm a Texaco, you know. I want to take gas. Texaco? Yo. Station. Yo, come here.
Wagwan, my son. Hear me I say, do me a favor. Tell me how much megapixel in that phone, yeah.
This have 5 megapixel.
Oh, a Samsung this.
Yeah, Samsung.
Oh, so how much pixel your Apple phone have?
12 megapixel.
Oh, okay. So, you can't give me 2 of your megapixel them. Well, me not understand. You have the one bag of megapixel them in your phone and can't give your father 2. Yo. Bluetooth 2 of the megapixel them give me.
Me have a gun named Eskimo. That make you call me have a gun named Winter because it turn in a me have a... Hey brother, you chat to himself. Someone there. Bad man, yeah man. No damn, you want to tell us something. So tell me no dog, how you want to tell me? Tell me no man. Next time I see me tell you that. No bad man, tell me right now. Order. You know say my boy dog. I said boy from around some like this me dog and Kyng Tavii know say me is a youth way. You see me I say dog? Him Dave understand say me is a youth way more while. Me just. You see me? I mean I tell you say dog, him Dave. Dog, you get me a try say dog. What you try say? So you mean you get me a try say dog? You want to tell me dog? You know if you want them boy in dog, when I like you dog, so you know me skin dog more while me just get. Yo, brother, it's yo. Where's your place? Where's your place?
Alright. Study.
An earthquake is a sudden movement around the Earth's crust. Hundreds of earthquakes No, come on, Tavii. G sat there around the corner, no sleeping, alright? Alright. An earthquake is a sudden movement around the Earth's crust. Hundreds of earthquakes.
Hey boy, don't want to pluck out again. I say, don't give me your phone. I left my phone on my yard, brother. I left my phone on my yard. What do you mean you left your phone on your yard? Give me your number. 9, yeah, 1, yeah, 1, yeah. Yeah man, I hit that. Call it. Hit that.
Hans Bay Police Station, how may I help you?
That boy. Not too much crap like your macaroni, eh? Sorry. He must have give me your number. 3 7 4 7 0 5 9. Stop your knife. Stop your knife. Hit it. And I phone. Don't make your stuff. Lie. Bible said don't shall not lie like a liar boy. But the Bible say enough for thief and a thief your teeth. You seen your teeth? Let your life from your skin. You know say take me a take.
Son, honestly, me been busy, son, and me never know. Honestly, me never know.
How? You for day in the States and not know about the election?
That me I tell you, son, me been busy. Me been busy, son. Me been busy, son.
Come on, daddy, you need to get up to date, man. Anyways, I gotta make my vote now. I gotta put in my vote so you can forward with me. I will just vote the same time, you see me?
Oh, yeah, man. So who you vote for?
Like that, everybody have vote for Hillary Clinton. Like
Yo, what kind of click thing that you talk about? And that I want to run the country? Click? Yo, I better them put back Barack or Boomer in that thing in a dog. And that me I tell them, you know, I better them put back Barack or Boomer in my yard, because I'm not a click around the country in my yard.
Teeth, listen. Don't cry. Yo, yes, sir? What's that phone there? My phone right beside the TV there. Something else beside the TV, brother. What the phone there? Brother, My phone is there right there, so beside the TV. Right, there's some look. See? No phone. Nah, you have a look for it. But I love last thing I'm doing people. Born me female, see? Jay, sure now my phone there, is it? Dad, you think that from me, brother? I'm gonna love you, and my brother and you. I think that tea from you, dad. Dad, you sure now my phone, dad? No, I'm not take up your phone, brother. I'm not see your phone. I swear to God, dog. Lift up my shirt. Lift up my shirt. My phone is. Oh, this is just a... Hey, somebody try to free me. Swear to God, damn, I don't know all these reaches of my... Stephanie, my girl, listen. All men are the same. All men are dogs, cheaters, liars, scammers, prostitutes. All men are the same. All men are dogs. Exactly, that's what I said. All men
Look
are...
here, you actually have some good guys out
No,
there.
no, shut up. You
know that,
you
right?
don't know anything, okay? You have a retarded girlfriend,
No,
so shut
all
up.
guys are the same. You have man where good.
No, you don't have any good guys out there. You don't have any good guys out there.
Tell you, say you have good people out there.
No, shut up. All men are the
Say,
same.
nah, you're not.
No, shut up. All men are dogs. All men are the same. And that's final.
Well, who told you to try them all?
Hey, come back like you, general, you. My body. Who goes there? Better, man. Yeah, then I can't fit my bad, man. Yeah, man, then I can't fit on your talk about my brother. Some tell this. If you buy this right now, you're the hottest thing around. Your day I go feel the sun, and the sun I go feel you. That hot like hot ball. Yeah, man. Yeah, so the price them stay. My price different, you know. Remember that in a youth. So, you know, just give me 3 tablespoons of 3 single Bible and a tea bag. What the price that, brother? Brother, we gonna find 1 tea bag. Yo, I can't get a quarter tea bag in it. That me and I can't know, you know. Oh, man, that's rough, man. Oh, man, put something on that, man. You talk about, man.
Put something on your mama.
Brother.
Dear.
Yeah, go on like them, you're real. Let me fake. Brother, a Vietnam, let me make it, brother. If you're China goes, you get some ching chong chai song. Brother, put something on that, man. Keep your things. No bother. Them goods are fake, you know. I'm see them just can't sell them, yeah. Sure. You couldn't find the half tea bag. Yeah, man. Wow, there no, man.
Me, a bang, your mother and your grandmother. So accept that. Your sister, you see your sister we got you in? But push her penis between her leg. Ask her if I lie. Not to mention your aunts. Your aunties. I'm fucking them. I'm fucking your aunties. Like, come on, bro. I'm fucking your aunties, bro. Like, come on, fam. You're a waste man. Yo, remember boss up on a secret. You see the day where you're born at the hospital? I did that there. You know what I do? I fuck your mother right after that. You know what? You must born on a highway. Oh yeah? Why you say that? Because that's where most accidents happen.
Yo, you're general, you're general, yo. Puff him chest.
Me zero the game from me connect. Who that, Jay? What going on? Bumbo clot, dog. Man, where you going, sir? You didn't see me, Mr. Luke? Jesus Christ, dog. Hey! Man, me know see that girl like give me bone in my you. Test that girl like a cockroach in the dog. Bumbo clot, man. And the second time for the week now, my you. Shall overdo it like puppy song down. Tell that girl my youth. Bumbo clot, dog. My daddy want me, my youth. What am I supposed to do, dog? Call the girl, dog. I call her, my you. Bumbo clot.
Hey, baby.
But hey, your mama, you know.
What are you talking about?
You know you're
I'm
going
not
with
giving you bun, I'm not a baker.
You know, bun.
What are you talking about? Don't call me
I
that.
love you.
Don't call me that. What are you talking about? I love you. Don't say that.
Fucking cockroach.
Yo, yo, come here. Come here. Know your fucking self, eh? Know me a bad man, yeah? That me I tell you. Dog, you know what you just do? Yeah, me just box up a what? What you got do? Dog, you know what you just do? You know what you just do? Oh, shit, you have a gun. You have a gun. I am so sorry. Man a bad man. As you can tell by the hat where me I wear. You know what? Box my bag. Box my bag. Come. Box me. Box me. No, man. Thump me na my mouth. Thump me na my mouth.
I'm telling you, you're from Sabah. No, not hard. They laugh at you now, you know. You know, it's funny how. So like, when funny laugh, no? Laugh then, man. I'm just tired of you. I'm just fucking tired of you. Japa sleep. That's what you do. Japa sleep like you're tired. You know, my friend they tell me if I left you for a long time. Them did it right. All I want is some time, you know. All I want is some time from you. Watch out, you want time? Go buy a clock or a watch. You just fucking selfish. You just think about yourself. You think I sell all of my selfish? I sell shrimp, lobster, and crab. You know, say, really and truly, I'm being still from my honey. You honey free? Yes, honey free. Then go fuck yourself. If you cannot man pussy and come buy, I'm like a man. Fucking cockroach. You alone with them. I'm bumper clouds. Fucking bad image.
So, baby.
Yeah?
It's our anniversary. I was wondering if, you know, we could like, you know, do it on the couch, you know.
Babe, I can't do that right now. I'm honestly on my period. To be honest, I'm on my period, babe.
But your mouth isn't.
Youth, you're general, youth, you're general, you're general, youth, you're general, you're.
You know when somebody said, go them catch swine flu? Happy Father's Day, Dad. Wait, what you said? No, I'm saying Happy Father's Day. Oh, thanks. So why you sound so? No, I'm just not so really happy about Father's Day, you know. Father's Day just a reminder, say, I have to take up certain things I can't manage. I look upon you, you how much now? I'm 30 now. See that 30? You work? No, I'm not work. You go to school? I'm not go to school. No. I want big crop. Big crop. I just see the farmers with the luck. What is supposed to mean? That means I would have a dash away. But guess what? You're there. All of it. That's like it. I can go here now, yeah?
Hey, what's up, side nigga?
Hey, what's up, man, nigga? What's up?
Nah, nothing really.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. What's up?
No, I'm just here stroking your girl as usual, you know, the regular. How was work?
Work was great.
Oh, work was great. What you did at work today, bro?
I just did some paperwork. Might get a
yeah.
promotion.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah.
That's
I see you going easy on them strokes, though.
Yeah, I'm going easy on the deep strokes for a while, you know.
Yeah.
She says she likes it when I go easy, so
Yeah.
I'm going easy today, you know. Maybe when you're having, you know, you go hard. I'm just going easy today because last time I went hard on her, you know.
Oh, you made her got sore.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
that
feels
explains. That explains why.
Jadi yun ang mechanic yan. Yung gawa tayo ma. Yo. Asal yang bawa dog. Yang bawa dia. Kau siapa ni nama you? Yang bawa dog. Yang bawa dia minus dah. Pada malam I'm dead for hungry. Bisa tell ka dog. Why sila bawa dia dah hurry. Dia nak member wih. Dia nak kaya shirt wih. Dia nak kaya shoes wih. Not nama you. Masih ni akong tu. Everything good. But there ama, you're good. I'm here man. Why you want some kaya up phone for your dog? What is? Apple? Can't eat? No man, apple can't eat more than phone. So bless you nama jalan. At least tak bukan ada dia dah. So nak you know saya suruh kes itu. Saya arresting, tinggal mo. Next time tu. Oh ya, man, ilik dia. Look kamu. Oh, dah mana nama jalan you can't eat that. Dah mana member me, dah mana left me out. Kita orang tu yo. Some bad mind you, Lord man. Om dia bawa dia, post dia bawa dia mai general. Dia bawa dia bring apple for me. Anak apple where you can't eat. Where from myself to him, after Pisces.
and gentlemen, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, this is your boy Kyng Tavii.